Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is mentioned on the video. You can always WhatsApp us. So we are looking into real exam questions. So let's open it, and then today we're gonna look into Capel Road to Langwood Gardens. So let's look at the 2 points. So we've got green and red, you can see like always, and by looking at this, we can say that, or we can plan it that we need to go towards the upside where the red point is. So we need to plan accordingly. So let's zoom out and click on the green point, and then come out of the road. Because we need to go straight up, so we can go straight, take this route, and then we can go straight up here as well, because the arrow is up to that S, you can see that, so we can't go straight, so we need to just kind of go around, and then just keep going up. So keep going up here, and then we need to turn left from here. So take this street from here, keep going straight from here. It's kind of a mini roundabout, you can see that, and then we'll take the second exit, and then we'll go straight up. From the arrow you can see we can only go left side, and we need to go left anyway because we need to go towards the top side. So keep going straight, and then we zoom out a bit just to see where our red point is. Zoom out, yeah. So we still need to keep going up, follow the arrow as well. Keep going straight, follow the arrow, and then keep going straight from here towards the towards the beach and grove, you can see that, and then another roundabout is coming. So from this roundabout we need to go again straight. So take the second exit, another mini kind of roundabout. From here we're gonna go towards the avenue. We can take the avenue from here, so take the exit towards that, keep going straight, follow this, and then from here we can turn right from here, and then we can go up from here, so left, and then again left from here, and then you can simply click on the red point. So if we zoom out, we can show you the most straight, sorry, so you can show you how it looks like. So it seems like the most direct and simple route that we have created here. Okay, so again, this is one of the exam questions, so you need to practice and always plan it before you actually start from the green point, because that will save you time. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.